What's up, guys? Welcome back to Gill's Garage. Today we are going to be working on the 1978 Camaro project. Now, to start off this video, we're going to be removing the front and the rear windows. And to remove the windows, we're going to be using this special window remover tool. Now, the point of this tool is to get between the glass and the body and just cut along the rubber or the sealant that is holding the window on. However, with these windows, they were on there for a very long time and the rubber turned into concrete, so it was a pain in the butt. But we're just going to go ahead and hit the time lapse and you will see exactly what I had to go through to get these off. Alrighty guys, now that we got the front and rear window removed, we're going to go ahead and work on the door striker for the driver's side. Now, the metal around it is just cracked, breaking, falling apart, and the door doesn't actually close whenever I had the door on here, so we're going to repair that. Anyways, let's get right to it. Alright, as you guys can see, the area that the door striker mounts to is just completely devastated. So what we're going to do is remove the door striker, get everything in here welded and make sure it's nice and flat. And then we're going to get it primed and get it ready for paint. After we paint it, we'll throw the door striker back in, that way it'll look good as new. Okay guys, now that we got the driver's side door striker taken care of, we're going to go ahead and work towards sanding the car down. Now we're going to begin on the front bumper because there is a lot of serious gouges and imperfections on that we got to get smoothed out. And then we'll work our way through the rest of the car, ending here on the back. Now I'm not going to sand down the area that I primed because if you saw the previous videos, you would know that that's already fresh metal and fresh paint. So there's not really any sense in chasing my tail on that one. Anyways, without wasting any more time, let's just get right back to it. Alrighty guys, I am completely burnt out with using the DA sander and the die grinders trying to get things smoothed out. So I went ahead and bought a sandblaster, which means we're going to roll this car outside and just sandblast everything, and then we'll put it back in here. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to throw something down in the comments. In the next video, we will be spraying the car and making it look pretty again, so make sure to shoot the channel a subscription so you can stay up to date on this build, or if you just like watching random car stuff, I have other videos that you guys can look at. Anyways, without anything else, I'll see you guys next time.